got an embarrassing moment in school. Got an embarrassing moment in school. No, it's about Prince and I'm back in the place with another epic video. See, from there here, I'm going to do a never have I ever school edition, things that not pertaining to school here. See, so hope you enjoy it. I'm going to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to comment and tell me how I do it. See, people, it's about Prince Stack, as usual, the prince of all the princes. That is just me. So yeah, me there here. Never have I ever school edition. There's some questions on this. I want the children to enjoy it. See. Some people comment and say, oh, me lie, but I'm not lying, I'm not doing things, you see. I'm an innocent young boy. So the first question on this is, never have I ever skipped a class. I like to keep my head on my body. I don't want my mom to chop it out because my mom is a very strict person. Yeah. And she don't want to leave there slap me scared, see. I don't skip class. I'm an innocent boy, you see. So the next one is, yes, I'm back. Next one is, enjoy studying. Depends. To be honest, depends. If I have this literature book here, so I don't like us when I have this one here. It was amazing book bad, but we just can't remember a book name, you see. Remember a book name and I probably tell them about the book. But everybody in my class, everybody, it's bad. But it's bad, me not like. Played in a sports team. No, I'm not really fan. I do play sports now, but no. I was in one in primary school playing a sports team. High school, no. No, I'm not playing for a football team or school or cricket team. The matter of fact, I don't have cricket in school. Being homeschooled, everybody get homeschooled. Everybody get homeschooled because if we go to school, they might start teaching certain things and then things that they have to spell and name and teach up right and say. So everybody get homeschooled. I have a crush on someone in my class. Nope. No. And a serious injury at school. No, brother. I think of. What do you think? No, I never get injured in school, no. Now I do not get injured in school. I go to school, take medication and come over. Sent a love note to my class. No. Not here. You're mad. No, we never do them sit there, I'm mad. What do you do that for? Go on a field trip. Almost everybody who go to school go on a field trip. Acted cool to get attention. No? I mean, if you are cool to get attention, I'm already cool people. No, I don't do that. More people know me and more people respect me. My time trouble them who watches people. Know. So my females them who watch this video and they know me. Don't people trouble on and things that I make fun with. But no, I'm not cool to get attention. You see, no man alive, your business that. You get 100 likes, you see me? If you don't like, you get 100 more likes. About everything not being hit someone hard, wipe on that. No. No, I never, no. I do anything to wipe on that still. I do that. Skip school to do something fun. I never skip school, and I said very bad. Don't do it. Yeah, your mother said I school. Learn, bridging. Oh, girl. Go and go learn and skip no school. That is very bad. Go and learn. Hit someone with that chalk. When most say me an innocent little boy. Look, yeah man, I'm an innocent young person. I'm very innocent. You see me? That's it. Make fake excuse for being late. Never late to school. But more like upon lunchtime now, back in. No latest. But I choke and talk. I really tell a lie, because it makes sense. It makes sense to tell. If I tell a lie, it just allows us backfire on you eventually. That makes sense, so. Oi. Stuck a funny note on somebody but like said, kick me. I mean, how many stuck it on? I can't remember. I think I stuck one on my friend, Theo. One time I stuck one on Theo. Stuck it on that, kick me. I will kick him back. Stuck it on that, kick me. You see? Next one is stole someone lunch. Now that is very disgusting. Why you need to steal someone lunch? You get the one money. Get the one money. You buy your own food ready. If you don't want, don't take up people things that bad. Don't take it right here. Don't do them things there. Had a water fight at school. A water fight, yeah. The last day. That's a primary school. The primary school, the last day. You buy some water bottle fully. And you bring them a water bottle. After primary school, the last time, the time I left primary school, me, tea, and some water that boy, water one and sit in one. Take part in a school play, classroom play, like project, class project, may take part in that after. Don't know something to be the star. That's it. Don't know something have to be the star. Yeah, me take part in a school play. Well, this same thing I just curve now. Being the prefect of my class. I get the chance but I don't want it. Yeah, I get the chance but I just don't want it. But I don't want it. The prefect, look, see, being the prefect is that you have a responsibility and not only to put up in it's a good responsibility, show that you have manners and respect towards everything, even though I got it, but you see, if somebody dirty up the area, like you got a school, and the classroom is untidy, you have to fix it back because you're the prefect, you have to do what you have to do. But me as a man, no, me know that. You come to classroom and fix your own sit in yourself. Classroom dirty, your teacher comes to you say, so why you have to stay so, or you have to stay so, you're the prefect, you have to do X, Y, Z, you know that. So one time, no, like, you have to keep it here clean, so no, I'm not like being the prefect, I was never be a prefect, no. That not happen. And that will never ever happen. That not happen. Blame someone for what you did. No, I don't do that. You must take full responsibility for what you do. You can't blame people for what you do. Can't do that shit there. That is very wrong. You wouldn't want nobody to blame me where you don't know about. No, I don't do that. I don't do that. Got in a fight with someone. Nope, as me I say I'm a good boy. I'm a very good person. I do what? Why that's freaking? To be honest, you come towards me, I will defend myself and everything, but I'm not in a war or anything, you see. In a war or anything. You know that. Stole someone, girl. Of course. Depends on what to. This me now. I thought I can't do this. I will do it. I will let you know your place. You see? You see? I let you know your place. You don't come and diss me. Like this one time at this youth I was saying, oh, I can't kill a fat hunk and all this shit. I was like, alright. This day I know, probably you know now, probably watch me first time, but you know yourself. But you're not gonna know. You're not gonna know, okay? Nobody not gonna know. So yeah, the cowboy girl and cut like that. Next one. Next one is lied to my friends at school. None of them things that lying to people in a sense, as I say, no. Just tell the truth and don't use it. If you don't like to hear it, I just so. I lie that. got an embarrassing moment in school. Got an embarrassing moment in school. Not that I can think of, none at all. None at all. So yeah, when you made it to the end of the video, know what I want to do. Like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to comment. You see it and tell me how I do. You see? The word that's the video, you know. You see? Tell me how I do. You see? Big up yourself, love all around, you see? Yeah. So, we don't know why now. Your birthday today on XDTV. Big up yourself for your birthday. Happy birthday, my brother. You see? Don't know anything enough. Come on. Stand strong, you see? Today your birthday, you're turning. You're still a little boy. You're not older than you. Even though I like that. Yeah, but big up yourself, you see, my brother. Your birthday today. You don't know what chopping in a dog. The people asking us again, like, share, don't forget to subscribe. And go over to Ryan Instagram page, that is XDTV. Not XD, just type in XD by Instagram. I'll put it right here, so somewhere. Yeah. Check out the page. Yeah. And check out Film YouTube page, the XD family. As you can follow him. Pick up yourself again, Ryan. Happy birthday and happy birthday to our brother. Yeah, see, a wonderful brother. Yeah, see. Like, share, and subscribe. I'm out.